Question. The thief was sent to dash prison. Answer. Option number D. No article. Question. Bread and butter dash my breakfast. Answer. Option number B. Is. Question. I dash repairing defective car. Answer. Option number C. Am. Question. I said to her, comma inverted comma, I am a good player. Answer would be option number D. I told her that I was a good player. Question. Who is playing cricket? You have to change into passive voice. Option number C. Right answer. By whom is cricket being played? Question. The rat is afraid dash cat. Answer. Option number B. Of. Question. A dagger's drawn. You have to choose right meaning of this phrasal. Answer would be option number A. To have bitter enmity. Question. Choose the correct synonym of niggard. Right answer would be option number A. Miser. Question. A garment by the nobles. Answer would be option number D. Aristocracy. Question. Why does you learn English? Answer would be option number B. Do. Thanks for watching this video.